Good day, class. This is Sir Emilio T. Tare Jr., and welcome to the third day of our mathematics class. Today's learning objective is to find the general term or the nth term of a sequence given the first few terms. And today, we will discuss about linear expressions in a sequence. So first, let us keep the following in our mind. A linear expression is an algebraic statement where each term is either a constant or a variable raised to the first power. In other words, none of the exponent can be greater than 1. Again, bawal maging or humigit sa isa ang exponent ang pinakamataas na exponent ng isang algebraic expression. Second, the linear equation in variable n can take the form a sub n is equal to a times n plus b. So kapag linear equation or linear expression yung ating sinosolve, or kapag maghahanap tayo ng general term at nalaman natin na linear equation ang ginagamit sa isang sequence na yon, ito ang formula na pwede natin gamitin. General term is equal to a times n plus b. So, iba po ang a sub n sa a, n. So, yung a, n at b natin dito, sila yung mga ating variables or constant. Again, dito sa part na to, yung ating b etong b yung ating constant. Then, yung n ang ating variable. Yung a naman ang coefficient. So, paki-correct lang po ang ating thinking about that. Next, find the general term of the sequence 25, 50, 75, 100. So, ito ang ating unang example. So, paano ba natin ito isa-solve? The sequence can be shown in a table where n is equal to, if n is equal to 1, a sub n is 25, or the first term is 25. If n is 2, the second term is 50. While if n is 3, a sub 3 will be 75. And if if n is 4, a sub 4 or the fourth term will be 100. Now, let us take the first difference of the sequence. So, ang ginawa lang dito, kinuha yung difference. Paano po iyon? So, 50 minus 25 is 25. Next, third term minus the second term, 25. Fourth term minus the third term is 25. And, ayun, this should be 125. 125, which is the fifth term, will be equal to, mag-minus tayo ng 100 though, will be equal to 25. Since the first difference is a constant which is 25, dahil pare-parehong 25 naman, again, dapat constant or iisa lang yung difference ng ating first difference, which is 25 nga. Ang ating term is linear in nature. Ibig sabihin, kapag constant ang ating difference, pwede natin gamitin tong formula na to. So, paano ba natin gagamitin ang a sub n is equal to a times n plus b? So, from the table kanina, gagamit tayo ng dalawang pares. Mas maganda kung yung dalawang pinakamababa yung gagamitin natin. So, if n is equal to 1, a sub n is equal to 25, and if n is equal to 2, a sub n is to 50. So, anong gagawin natin? Diyan i-substitute lang natin yan dito sa ating formula natin. So, magiging ang A sub n is 25 sa unang pair natin is equal to A times n, which is 1, plus B. At kapag inayos natin yan, binaliktad natin, magiging A times 1 is A, plus B is equal to 25. Now, punta naman tayo dito sa ating second pair. 50, ang ating A sub n is equal to A times 2 plus B. Kapag in-arrange natin yan, pwede yan maging 2A. Ang 2A na to galing dito sa A times 2 plus B is equal to 50. So, ayan, meron po tayong dalawang pares ng equation na nabuo. Kailangan hanapin natin yung value ng ating A at B. So, paano? So, given yung dalawa nating equation, hanapin natin yung value ng A and B using system of linear equation. So, gawin lang natin itong mas malaking equation, may i-minus lang natin itong mas maliit dun sa mas malaki. So, meron tayong 2A plus B is equal to 50. Yung pangalawa naman natin, or yung una natin, yung mas maliit na equation ay A plus B is equal to 25. Ngayon, mag-minus tayo. So, magiging 2A minus A na lang. B minus B, wala na po. Ang matitira, 0 na lang, or sa left side ng ating equation is A na lang. Samantalang sa right side, 50 minus 25 is 25. May value na tayo ng A. A is equal to 25. Paano naman si B? So, para mahanap yung value ng B, gamitin natin itong unang equation natin. So, ang A plus B is equal to 25. Ano bang value ng A na nakuha natin? 25. Plus B is equal to 25. Ngayon, using addition property of equality, mag-add tayo ng negative 25 both side ng equation, plus B minus 25 is equal to 25 minus 25. Para mawala yung ating 25 sa kaliwa, or in short, B na lang yung matira sa kaliwa. So, 25 minus 25, 0 yan. B ang natira. B is equal to 25 plus minus 25 is 0. So, ang A natin ay 25, ang B naman ay 0. So, gamit yung formula natin, ganito ang magiging itsura ng ating general term. A sub n is equal to 25 plus 0, or pwede namang hindi na natin isama yung 0. A sub n is equal to 25n. Okay, next, number 2, example number 2. The sequence can be shown in the table. So, example number 2 natin sinabi na kailangan natin hanapin ang general term kung ang sequence natin ay 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. So, ang ating unang, if our n is 1, A sub n or A sub 1 or the first term will be 6, 8, 10, 12. So, gamitin natin yung or kunin natin yung difference na itong mga to. Meron tayong 6, 8, 10, 12. Hanggang dito lang muna. So, 6 minus 8, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. 12 minus 8 is 2. So, dahil pare-pareho silang 2, constant or iisa lang, consistent yung ating difference, pwede natin gamitin yung formula natin na to. So, gamit tayo ng dalawang pair dun sa ating table. May 6, 8, 10, 12. So, using two pairs of numbers from the table in the form a sub n is equal to a sub a times n plus b, we have unang pair natin, ito. Pangalawang pair, ito. So, gawa tayong equation gamit tong formula na to. A sub n ay 6 is equal to a times 1 plus b. So, kapag in-arrange natin to, pwede naman yung maging a plus b is equal to 6. Samantalang itong ating second pair, ang a sub n dito ay 8. Samantalang ang n naman ay 2, kaya magiging a times 2 plus b. Kapag in-arrange natin yan, magiging 2a plus b is equal to 8. So again, sa part na to, nire-rearrange lang natin. Nag-substitute tayo, then nag-rearrange. Ngayon, gamit yung dalawa nating equation na to, isolve natin. Again, magma-minus tayo, kunin natin yung difference, at ilagay natin yung mas malaking equation, mas may matataas na coefficient at constant sa taas. So, ito yun, yung 2a plus b is equal to 8. Then, a plus b naman sa baba, which is equal to 6 naman. So, minus lang natin yung buong equation na yan. So, 2a minus a is a, b minus b, 0 na yan. 8 minus 6 is 2. So, ang value ng a natin ay 2. Paano naman si b? So, a plus b gamit tong equation na to, yung una, equal daw sa 6. Kaya ang value na nakuha natin ay 2 para sa a plus b is equal to 6. Ngayon, gamit tayo ng addition property of equality. Magbawas tayo ng 2 both side ng equation para mawala yung 2 sa nakatabi ng b. Magiging 6 minus 2 naman sa kanan. So again, addition property of equality ang ginamit natin dyan. So, magiging b na lang matitira is equal to 4. Ang value ng b natin ay 4. Therefore, ang general term natin na pwedeng gamitin ay ito. Yung a, 2, yung b, 4, or pwede natin i-extract yung 2, magiging a sub n is equal to 2 times quantity n plus 2. Next. Ngayon naman, para sa example number 3 natin, meron tayong 1, 4, 9, 16. So, 1, 4, 9, 16 ang ilagay natin sa table. Then, kunin natin yung difference. 1, 4, 9, 16. 4 minus 1 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. 16 minus 9 is 7. And kung mapapansin natin, hindi magkakapareho yung difference. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya linear in nature at hindi natin ito pwedeng gamitin itong formula na to. Again, kapag magkakaiba ng difference, hindi siya linear. Therefore, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin itong formula na to unlike dun sa examples number 1 and 2 natin. So, that would be all. So, kung naraan maghanap tayo ng next 5 terms gamit ang general terms, sana natutunan natin ngayon kung paano mahanap ang general term given ang terms sa sequence. That would be all for today. Goodbye, class!